Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to creating music Instagram story animation in Kinemaster. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribe. Let's see the preview. Let's get started. Tap on this plus icon to create a new project. Here select 9:16 aspect ratio. Now import a white color plane from background. Now increase this layer duration up to 10 seconds. Now import project files. Tap on layer, select media. You can download project files from description. Place it here. Now increase this layer duration. Now we have to duplicate this layer up to 4 times. Tap on this 3 dots. Select duplicate. Duplicate up to 4 times. Place this shapes here for a minute. Increase timeline duration. Move 700 frames forward. Select this circle, and add a keyframe here. Tap on this key icon for keyframes. Tap here. Now at the first frame, move this circle, as I shown in the video. From this keyframe, move 700 frames forward, and add a keyframe here. Tap on this key icon for keyframes. Now tap here. Now resize it, as I shown in the video. From this keyframe, move 700 frames forward, and add a keyframe here. Now move this circle, as I shown in the video. Let's see. Cool. Let's animate this circle. Resize it. Place it here. Now move to 1 second forward. Add a keyframe here. At the first frame, move the circle, as I shown in the video. Have a look. Let's animate this shapes. Select this shape. Place it here. Now select this one. Resize it. Place this shape here. Adjust the size and position. Now resize this shape. Place it here. Let me adjust this shapes. This shapes should starts from here. Select the shape, and trim it. Now select another one, and move couple of frames forward, and trim it. Now this one. Now select this shape. Tap on in animation. Select scale up animation, and the speed is 0.7. Do same for remaining two shapes. Let's see. Now select this layer. Move to last frame. Add a keyframe here. Now select this one, move to last frame, and add a keyframe here. Now add a keyframe between these two keyframes. Also add a keyframe between these two keyframes. Now change this shape position, as I shown in the video. Also change this shape position, as I shown in the video. As you can see, this shape's moving slowly. Let's animate these shapes. At the end of this shape animation, add a keyframe here. Now add a keyframe at the last frame. Now add a keyframe between these two keyframes. But here, change this shape position, as I shown in the video. Do same for remaining two shapes. Let's see. Perfect. Now we have to create shapes animation other side too. Simply export this clip. Now come back to the project. Now import exported clip. Now go to rotate and mirroring. Tap here, as you can see shapes flipped right side. Tap here for flip upside down. Now go to blending modes. Select multiply. Now fit this layer into canvas size. Tap this icon for split screen. And now tap here. Perfect. Let's see. Let's add more shapes here. Increase this layer duration. Place it here, and resize it. Go to overall animation. Select pulse animation. This layer should starts from here. Now duplicate it. Move this layer here. Reposition it. Resize it. Now add more shapes, as I shown in the video. Let's see. Now, at here, import rectangle shape. Resize it, and place it here. Now increase this layer duration. Tap on in animation. Select scale up animation, and the speed is 1 second. Move this layer little much here. At here, import your image. Place it here, and adjust the size and position. Now increase this layer duration. Tap on in animation, select scale up animation, and the speed is 1 second. Starts this layer from here. Let's add text. I am going to adding text from here. Change text color into black. Tap here for more fonts. Select any font you like. I am going to using this EXO bold font. Place it here, and adjust the size. Increase this layer duration. Go to in animation. Select enter slide left animation, and the speed is 0.7 seconds. Let me place it here. Now duplicate this text layer. Move this layer here. Place this text here. Tap here to edit text. Place your text here, and resize it. And here import this image. Resize it, and place it here. Increase this layer duration. Now select this layer, tap on in animation. Select wide bright animation, and the speed is 4 seconds. Have a look. And here import this image. Resize it, and place it here. Increase this layer duration. From here, move 700 frames forward, and add a keyframe here. Now move this layer here. Perfect. Now add a text here. Change this text font. I am going to using this one. Now change this text color into black. Rotate it, as I shown in the video. Place it here, and resize it. Now increase this layer duration. Let me adjust this arrow here. Now select this text layer. Tap on in animation. Select enter slide right animation. And the speed is 1 second. Let's see our entire animation. Perfect. If you don't want this animation with white shapes and white background, then import any gradient plane and blend it to multiply. Fit it to full screen. Increase this layer duration. Now go to blending modes. Blend this layer mode, normal to multiply. Cool. You can also adjust this gradient plane colors with adjustments. Select this gradient plane, tap on adjustments. Scroll down, and play with hue. This is our final animation, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.